Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy New Year. Hopefully, you guys are all having a great day today. Hopefully, you get to spend some time with some family, some friends, or maybe even some, alone time. Maybe that's your thing, whatever. Sometimes that's me. Today, actually, we're going out to spend it with some family and for well, actually with some friends, which we always call our friends our family because obviously the closest. But in this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin dead? Is the rally dead? Are things going to come back? Things have been trading sideways a little bit, and we just want to see what the latest and greatest on the Bitcoin price and price analysis looks like. So let's get into that in this video. Before we do so, please make sure you hit that like button and you're subscribed to my channel for more Bitcoin technical analysis and updates. So Bitcoin's price has been consolidating for a while now, failing to continue the significant bullish momentum observed over the past few months. Yet things are still looking positive for Bitcoin in the short term. I mean, a little bit of sideways consolidation is not a bad thing. We can see here that it is just, kind of in this little bit of a zone here. And on the daily chart, the price has been aggressively attacking and breaking through resistance levels one at a time, yet the market is currently consolidating above the 40K level as the bullish momentum has faded away. The decrease in the relative strength index confirms this idea, but the RSI is still showing values above 50, pointing to the fact that momentum is yet to shift bearish. So it's not quite bearish yet, it's still above the 50 zone. The price is still likely to reach the 48K resistance zone in the coming weeks before any major correction occurs. And none of this is financial advice whatsoever. This is technical analysis. Other things can happen in the cryptocurrency and the overall financial markets. And, sometimes we just can't anticipate things, but we can read charts and we can look at, patterns in the past and kind of try to figure out where it's going to go. So the 4-hour chart, the recent consolidation has formed a classical price action pattern, the symmetrical triangle. The symmetrical triangle can both be a continuation and a reversal pattern depending on the direction of the potential breakout. So we can see here, this is the symmetrical triangle. The price will eventually rally towards the 48K level in case a bullish breakout occurs. On the other hand, a bearish breakout can lead to a deeper correction in the near future. So we're just kind of trending in this window here in this channel. So the miner to exchange flow is something that analysts are keeping a close eye on. And what does that mean? Well, it's a unique metric that indicates the volume of coins transitioning from miners to exchanges. So basically, miners taking profits. That it offers insights into potential selling pressures originating from miners. Historically, downturns in Bitcoin's price, whether significant or minor, have consistently aligned with instances where miners initiated the transfer of their Bitcoin holdings to spot exchanges. And it would make sense, right? Because we're coming up on the Bitcoin halving and miners aren't going to be making as much money, so it makes sense for them to sell when the price is high now in order to minimize smaller rewards in the future because the rewards are going to get cut. So the development suggests miners are realizing profits and raises the possibility of a market reversal if the metric continues to surge, reaching levels of concern. Monitoring this metric becomes crucial for anticipating potential shifts in market dynamics and adjusting strategies accordingly. So that's a very interesting chart. It's something that you always think about. Like miners, they'll hold on to their coins, their bitcoins for a certain amount of time, and then obviously they sell when the price is right. Maximizing their profits, just like every other trader. And it only makes sense to for them to maybe offload a bit of that before the halving because they are going to be getting a cut. But eh, potentially the price could go up afterwards. Bitcoin halvings usually lead to runs afterwards, a few months later. And, hopefully they won't sell off too much now because they're going to be thinking about, bigger prices in the future. But that's what I got for you guys. Bitcoin's not dead. The rally's not necessarily dead. It's just, I think everybody's just kind of taking it easy and seeing what happens with Bitcoin ETFs coming up. Could possibly hear something about that next week. But I'll definitely keep tabs on that for you guys and let you guys know what is going on in terms of price action on Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency market. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I wish you all a happy and safe new year. Peace.